I got a wrong folder here. I have set up a project file. Also, before I set up the interface, I already prepared the data from the website. I show you get to the curve and then save as a ASCII file. And then the data is in under data directory. You see is I call Galveston sea level change. It's a TSD file. So I open this file. You will see it's just an ASCII format. So this is the file looks like. So it's a 2-day sea level rise information here. Is hour 24 is 0.5 meter, hour 28 is 2 meter. So we will read this curve into setup. So we just need modify the boundary condition. So we select arc, right? Pick water surface elevation forcing, and then right click, so we can assign boundary condition, right? So here we have a tidal forcing, and then for water surface elevation source, we pick tidal constitute here. We can also pick a curve. So when we pick a curve, we will read tidal elevation data from a NOAA gauge or from a measurement, your station, and this is a curve. So we can do tidal constitute. So we already have a 6 component here. After you get NOAA tidal component, you can just come here and then type in this. And then at the beginning, you need to insert line, and then pick tidal component, and then type in the amplitude and phase for each component. So that's for the tidal boundary. And then for the sea level rise, you come here, and then you see we pick a curve here, right? And you can have offset as constant. So if you pick constant, usually this case is we do short-term simulation, we pick a constant. Like we projection in 100 years, this location will have a 1 meter sea level rise. So we pick a constant to see like a storm influence for the location. And those storm period usually like 1 to 2 days maybe. So we run like 4 days with sea level rise as a constant. So that's the usual we do for the constant sea level rise. This case we do a curve, and then you click this small icon, and you see the curve. So we already have that. If you don't have that, you can import from the data. You can import and find the data I just show you. Data is here. I don't see that file here, but maybe is a TSD file. It's looking for XYS file. Yeah, I can open that file here. Yeah. And then that's it. Then we set up a sea level rise with water level boundary condition. And then you click OK. And come here, you either save project first. You can save project, and then right click here, and then export CMS flow, launch CMS flow. Or you can just save, export, and launch CMS flow. So since this entire setup already been saved, So I can just start to run the model and launch CMS flow. And then I wouldn't run here, and then you can run by yourself after the talk and see how it look. And again, this is only 2D simulation, a short-term simulation, and but it's only try to demonstrate the sea level rise curve incorporated into CMS.